In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All Parties Hurriyat Conference has expressed serious concern over the surge in state terrorism unleashed by Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government across the territory to suppress the Kashmiris' just struggle for securing their right to self-determination. According to Kashmir Media Service, the APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar said the killing of several youth in fake encounters in different areas of the territory by Indian troops in the last few days after taking them into custody is the worst display of brutal Indian imperialism. He maintained that killings, arrests, use of force, and other Indian brutalities cannot subdue the Kashmiris' freedom sentiment, and they will continue their struggle till complete success. The spokesman urged the international community, particularly the United Nations, to play a role in the resolution of the Kashmir dispute to save the Kashmiris from the Indian atrocities. Meanwhile, Indian troops along with paramilitary and police force personnel continued their violent cordon and search operations in Kulgam, Pulwama, Shopian, Islamabad, Srinagar, Budgam, Kupwara, Baramulla, Bandipora, Kishtwar, Doda, Poonch and Rajouri districts. The forces personnel during the operations harassed the residents, mainly youth, and summoned them to the nearby police stations and army camps. Girl students held a peaceful protest demonstration in Shopur town against the blasphemous statements of Indian ruling Bharatiya Janata Party leaders Nupur Sharma and Naveen Jindal. The protesting girl students condemned the BJP leaders for their derogatory remarks on Prophet Muhammad ﷺ and demanded strict action against them. A sub-inspector of Indian police was found dead in paddy fields near his home in Pampur area of Pulwama district today. He had left his home to tend his paddy fields yesterday in the evening.